Hello, I'm Rob Dickson. I'm a regional sales manager with Precision Pumping Systems. And today I'm going to go over a unique pump station project that was brought to us a few months ago by an engineering firm. The engineer would reach out to us because they'd had a difficult time finding a manufacturer that could not only do water treatment, but also recirc and water feature pumps. The unique application with this is it's serving all three of those purposes. Adjacent to the pump station on site, there will be an underground vault with 3 pumps located in it. One pump is going to serve as the splash pad pump. It's like a water feature for children in a park. The second pump is a recirc pump for a water stream that will serve as a unique visual feature to the park itself. And the third pump is a water treatment pump. They'll actually take the water from that vault, run it through our package station here, and right back into the vault, treating it as the water is cycled through. So I'm going to dive into it here. The first filtration that we have on the station here is this Amiad Mini Sigma. This is a 50 micron filter, and the unique application with this is we actually have to get down to 10 micron so the UV filters will work properly. In order to get that accomplished, we use this 50 micron filter that's oversized so we're not continually flushing the filter or having to run the pumps too frequently. After that filter is our polisher or finish filter. This actually filters down to 10 micron and is what gets the water quality down to where the UV filters can properly treat the water that will be going back into the tank. Between each filter, we have a pressure transducer that we monitor the incoming and discharge filter pressure. That way we can monitor the pressure differential. We know how dirty the filters are actually getting and notify the city personnel if one of the filters has any type of malfunction. The UV filters, there's 3 of them here. The amount of flow that we're using in this system for the recirc, for them to get a 12-hour complete recycle, is 130 gallons a minute. That type of flow for the treatment quality that we want to maintain requires 3 filters. Each UV filter has what they call a UV monitor. It's monitoring the amount of UV light that is coming off of the lamp and will notify the users or the city operators if for some reason the lamp isn't putting off enough UV to properly treat the water. One of the other unique features of this station is a lot of this equipment is actually relatively standard in a pool, but this type of application, there's no pool or equipment room to utilize. So there came our Apollo pump station enclosure. The enclosure itself is completely insulated, has heating equipment for early spring and late fall operation, and then has cooling equipment for during the summer. The last portion of our water treatment pump station takes place right here with our chemical control. The chemical controller is constantly monitoring the water's chlorine content and pH. The tank here will be fed with acid, and this injection pump will inject to keep control over the pH. The erosion feeder will have either bromine tablets or chlorine tablets, and is controlled via a solenoid based on what the controller senses as the chlorine content. So I thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to get any more information on this specific project, or you'd like us to help design any projects for you going forward, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.